Clump of snow and a lighter. Let's see if it melts. Check this. Yo, it's not melting, bro. The snow is not melting. But why is it melting, bro? It should be like... Why is the snow getting burnt? The snow might be fake.
It's like not. Oh my God, this got me sick. I just want to look at this. This ain't real. I thought that was. Yes, exactly. Very strange.
Sea and air manipulation of weather terrorism, geoengineering from all three, land, sea, and air, and there's very few that are covering all three. But this is a document from the U.S. Department of State clearly stating that any geoengineering weather manipulation is terrorism. And we're seeing it now on Mexico, Gulf of Mexico, Lydia. We're seeing it with the Hurricane Harvey and now Irma, and there's actually one forming behind it that are clearly geoengineered and man-made. A lot of discussion using microencapsulated material, a hygroscopic chemical agent utilized in cloud or fog seeding, optimization of particle size for improved seeding results is obtained. So you can see there's tons and tons of patents, and I just don't understand why Geoengineering Watch or anybody else can't find these patents and show you clearly that this is being used for weather manipulation and that is possible. A collapse has occurred. They're also using these systems to create the weather wherever they want, because they can steer it. They can create hurricanes now. They're huge intensities, category 6, beyond category. They're creating out. Look at these. How can anyone say these do not generate weather? And here's all the coal plants that are being used to create all the bad that destroyed our weather systems. We've been using coal around the world for 100 years. What do you think that's done to our atmosphere? It destroyed the weather systems. And now they're having, look at this. This is how they manipulate weather. Right there it is, folks. You can see it for yourself. The clouds come in and it gets darker. Look at this. Look at that.
This is the loudest sound you could possibly conceive. And, as it turns out, the cleanest. Now, the most amazing thing is that that cloud up there, which was generated by the engine, is just a mixture of hydrogen and oxygen. It's water vapor. And in about an hour's time, someone in Mississippi is going to get wet washing. It will actually rain.
The presentation was done at the request of numerous activists who asked me to address the claims of power plant cooling towers being used to supply the atmospheric moisture for climate engineering. The battle to fully expose and halt climate engineering is the most important challenge of our time. The only chance we have of prevailing in this epic battle is by standing on solid and factually verifiable conclusions.
This is Craig's job, firing chemicals into the clouds in a controversial attempt to modify the weather.
According to the World Meteorological Organization, 52 countries have a weather modification program. Insurance companies, like ones in Alberta, fund cloud seeding projects in order to lessen damage claims they receive.
You could do it for reducing hail. They've tried it on hurricanes, to modify hurricanes, to reduce the intensity of hurricanes.
To do that, pilots target clouds full of moisture and eject small amounts of an inert chemical.